Demand for seafood around the world is rapidly growing, which means ever greater pressures on fishing and fish farming. Many fisheries are in poor condition, while at the same time, consumers are demanding that their fish comes from sustainable sources. The industry is faced with the challenge of getting secure and reliable supplies of seafood from sustainable fisheries, while assuring the public that it is behaving responsibly, a task that requires specialist knowledge and innovation. The Sustainable Fisheries Partnership, SFP, was founded in 2006 to help the seafood industry make fishing and aquaculture more sustainable. It is a non-profit organization that works with business partners in the seafood supply chain to develop information systems and make practical improvements.
SFP is an NGO that's working very actively in the fisheries sustainability realm.
It's well plugged in and connected globally. It has a pragmatic approach to the way it deals with things. And equally important, I think it has a dose of reality into the commercial aspects of the business.
The Sustainable Fisheries Partnership has really shown dramatic leadership in the world of sustainable fisheries. They're really proponents of industry-led programs, and we feel in the long run that that's really important. The industry will stick with that fishery for decades and decades.
SFP has partnerships with some of the biggest names in the industry, and every year, more companies decide to work with SFP to manage their sustainable seafood sourcing and improve fisheries.
They have very dynamic people in the field that can help, and they also have a great online tool system.
You know, it has people on staff who've actually worked in industry and understand the pressures of, managing a profit and loss statement. And that helps to color some of the realities and some of the, decisions that are made and the insights and the recommendations that happens.
The depth of experience in the employees of the Sustainable Fisheries Partnership is endless, and guidance and advice is priceless.
If industry is going to change fisheries for the better, it needs information on the state of fisheries and practical help in implementing improvements. SFP meets the information need through a public database of fisheries information called Fish Source and a specially devised software package called SFP Metrics. All of the information is based on publicly available scientific data. Industry cannot achieve practical improvements in fisheries without some support. SFP helps industry to create fishery improvement projects, called FIPs, to bring together all of the stakeholders in a fishery and take action. A FIP will get all the main players in the same room to discuss a project. The group will identify the problems and solutions, create a work plan, and oversee the improvement process. SFP also helps industry run similar improvement projects for aquaculture.
Fisheries improvements are a common sense business approach to assuring that we manage our natural resources, in this case, wild fisheries and aquaculture.
It's a complex, globalized seafood supply chain that we face with many issues, and we rely very heavily on the sage guidance and discussions that we have with SFP.
SFP is a global organization that is dedicated to helping the seafood industry make fisheries and aquaculture more sustainable. Every year, the organization is expanding. If you are interested in working with us, please get in touch via our website, and we will get back to you.